I'm the Realtor Eric Corder. Join me here Sunday from 2 to 4 for an open house. Do you have 90 seconds? Let me show you this place. The first space you come to in this house is this gigantic living room. It's a living room, or it's a family room, or whatever you want it to be. I love this mid-century modern design. Look at all the light, and look at this fantastic fireplace. Those spaces flow nicely into this dining room, which flows also seamlessly into this nice eat-in kitchen. Good sized kitchen that's been nicely and tastefully updated. New appliances and great countertops. Let me show you something else. Look at this outdoor living space. Now I don't know the dimensions here, but it's gotta be 24 by 24. It is huge. The other side of the first floor is where you'll find 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath house is just over 3,200 square feet of living. Let me show you the rest. Downstairs, you'll find all this bonus space. This space is whatever you want it to be. Your 2 additional bedrooms are off the sides here, and the 3rd bathroom as well. More space, more extra space in this house. This house has plenty of storage and plenty of space for whatever you want to do. Your laundry room is here, and let me show you some amazing storage space. Look at all this storage. It's time to pack up Christmas. I'll be here Sunday from 2 to 4. Come look for yourself. I'll see you then.